Hello guys, how you doing? So today we will talking about dictionary. So how dictionary works in Python. So dictionary are a structure which can contain multiple data types and is ordered with key values pairs like for each unique key. So key can be strings, numbers or tuples while the corresponding value can be any Python object. And dictionary, what is dictionaries are? It's unordered, it's a mutable object, and it's a iterable. Okay. So let's see how to create an empty dictionary. So as I have written already, create an empty dictionary in two ways. Select this, command control enter to execute. Okay. And in second, this way, empty dictionary equal to dict in braces कर लेते हैं. Okay, and list is created. And how to create a dictionary in a two ways. So I have given already. Select this and this. So this is the dictionary we can create it. Okay, and now how to convert a list of tuples into a dictionary. So here you can see the list of tuples. Select this, command control enter to execute here, and now check this. Okay, so it list convert into tuples into a dictionary. Let's you can see. Okay, and select this. So this converted into a dictionary, a list of tuples. Okay, so you can convert a list of tuples. How to convert into a dictionary like this, and how to examine a dictionary. So suppose you need to type a family in bracket a daddy, so it gives a doctor because the key is the daddy and it returns a doctor. So let's check the length of the family is 3, and you can return the list. Just type family dot keys. So dictionary key is like daddy, mom and size. Okay, this is the key. And let's go ahead. Now check family dot values. So it returns a doctor, Homer, and 6. And now let's see family dot items. So items are daddy, doctor, mom, Homer, size, 6. These are the items. Okay. And now I select mom in family. So what it returns a true. And now I type Homer in family. So let's see what happens. It returns false. Why? Because it only check keys. Because mom is the key, Homer is not a key. Here you can see Homer is not a key. Mom is a key. Okay. How to modify a dictionary? Let's I type family just cat equal to snowball. I'm going to add a new entry, and now I'm going to check. Okay, so it's add a new entry cat snowball. So cat is a, you can see is the key, and snowball is anti the number. So now suppose you need to delete something in your dictionary. So just you need to delete a cat, the key. Just type del family in bracket cat. Now you need to check family. Okay, it's deleted already. And suppose and family dot pop, and it removes the entry and returns the value doctor. Okay, and how to do family dot update? So and check it here. Family is updated. Home, mom is the key, and the value is Homer. The size 6, baby Maggie, and grandpa ABC. So here I also update the two things in the dictionary. Suppose I want the Homer in the dictionary family. Suppose is the key is mom, and let's see what happened. The key is a mom and it returns Homer. But okay. And if I get family dot get, so it also returns the same thing, the Homer. Okay. So if I get family, if I give family dot get and in bracket grandma, so let's see what happens. It returns none, because in the family dictionary the grandma, as we are going to see, grandma, okay, and if I get family dot get grandma not found, it returns not found by default. And now we are going to accessing a list element within a dictionary. So as we know, index start with 0 in Python. So suppose I give kids and in bracket 0. So family, there is because we didn't given a kids. Suppose I give here mom, okay, and enter, it returns H. Okay, and now we need to check how to string a substitution using a dictionary. Here I give youngest child is percent, baby percent, and family. So just type this command control enter to execute. So the youngest child is Maggie. Here you can see the family with the dictionary, and the youngest child is Maggie, because we have given a baby is the key, and it gives the Maggie. Maggie is the name of the child. So this is the dictionary works in Python. So I hope you like this tutorial. So guys, if you like it, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys.